What's good, YouTube? What's the deal, man? How are y'all feeling today? It's your boy Highest Up Trades. I'm back with another video. We got the 50K XFA. We're gonna be trading off 50K XFA. What the fuck I'm trying to say? We're gonna be trading off 50K XFA account. To see if we can get into a nice winning setup, nice winning trade. Definitely feel like I'm gonna win today. So gotta do everything the right way. I gotta follow my rules. Gotta just be patient and and just be very disciplined and manage my trades the right way and take whatever happens. Like, you feel me? Like, win, lose, or draw. Just whatever happens. So it's 6:31 right now. Woke up at 6 for sure. Y'all know that. Woke up at 6. Just had to get my regular daily routine, daily regimen in, be calm. So I'm calm, cool, and collected. I'm probably finna make some tea right now, to add to my calmness. But we ain't really even gotta. Is it anything else to talk about? Do I want to talk to y'all about anything else? I feel like I do. I feel like I do. But maybe we'll just say that to the end of the video though. Because why not? So right now, let's just get to the charts. You feel me? It's 6:32 right now. Let's see if we got some news today. And let me just show y'all the ins and outs of being a successful, profitable trader. So this is what it looked like. All right, gang. So I did not know it was CPI today. We got CPI at 7:30. So we gonna see what that do, if that shake up the market. And I see we at a 4 hour supply. Yeah. We gonna check all the higher time frames though, but I see we are at a 4 hour supply too, supposedly. So we got news we got CPI at 7:30. Then we have some news at 9:30, and then can't forget 8:30, which is the NY Open. Why is it doing that? There we go. Alrighty. So let's just get to it. Let's get to it, man. Let's get to it. I can delete this. I'm gonna keep this 1 hour support right here. So I remember this is a 1 hour support area. Them two lines, them two black lines. Keep that right there actually. Turn my sessions back on. So we've been on the uptrend. Been on a clear uptrend actually. Very clear uptrend. Um, so yeah, very clear uptrend that we have been on. Uh, so right here will be a breaker structure to the upside. That's if price is to get up past this point. That would be a breaker structure. And right here will be a breaker structure to the downside. That's if price is to get down below this point, which will be a breaker structure. This is all on the 15 as well. Let me put that out there. So right now, this is also liquidity. Let's mark off liquidity too, y'all. So we got two spots for liquidity right now. We do got some more liquidity up here. Got some more liquidity right there. And not to mention this is liquidity as well. But since I know that already, I'm not even gonna keep that right there. I don't want it to look messy. So yeah, we got CPI at 7:30. Got the NY open at 8:30, and then we got some more news at 9:30. So we're gonna be super, 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 super patient. We're not forcing anything. And if it ends up being a no trade day, it's a no trade day. So let's go to the 1 hour. Um, so what do I see on the 1 hour? I do see we had a supply, a 1 hour supply. Yeah, so I do see we had a 1 hour supply. Yeah, so that looks intriguing. I'm gonna just delete that for right now. So 1 hour supply. Hmm, slow key. Another supply right under it. So this supply too. I know that one invalid, so it's okay. You ain't gotta mark that one off. Um, Another chart's messy. Hold on, let me just take all that off. I know. I know, I know, I know. Let's go to the 4 hour really quick. 20 sessions on. Do see a 4 hour demand right here, which is intriguing. We are definitely at a 4 hour supply from this point right here. Boom. So yeah, we are at a 4 hour supply right now. Let's just take these off, right? Let's take that off, and now let's look at market. Oh shit. And let's take these off as well. So let's just look at what we got going on right now on the 4 hour. Excuse me. About 2 hours left on this candle. See what we have going on this 4 hour. We got CPI too. Honestly, I feel like CPI may want to tank this all the way down. I'm not gonna lie to you. I feel like CPI would want to tank this all the way down and then test this level again to maybe go back up or to maybe take all this liquidity out right here. Because all of this right here is liquidity. All of this. All of this. Like, so that means boom, 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 boom. It's liquidity all right here. Like the swing traders, the intraday traders, they all right here. Some of them are right here. And some is right here too. So I do feel like CPI would like to tank down. Don't know if I'm gonna trade it though. to get this liquidity right here. That's just what I feel like. We are at a 4-hour supply. This will be the break of the candle entry right here. So we do that, and I'm gonna make this yellow so I can remember. So that'll be a break of the candle entry right there. We do got some liquidity sitting down right here, and we know how CPI moves, but at the same time, it's unpredictable. So, but it does follow market structure and price action. So that's very intriguing to me because just as much as it can go down, that shit can blast up. I mean, look at it. We've been bullish for quite some time. So just as much as it can go down, it can go up. So I'm finna just delete that. Delete that. We are at a 4-hour supply though, so that's neat. That's neat to me. Go back to the 1 hour. So we got 13 something minutes left on this 1 hour candle. I want to know if we get a close right here. So I'm gonna do another candle right there. Another. Looking like we gonna get a close too. Well, not a close, but a break of the candle entry for real, for real. So let's go to the 15. Let me see what the 15 is showing. Kinda need to delete this right now. That's in a way. Is the 15 showing me anything that looks? I don't think so. Not for what I see. I am seeing a break of the candle though. Or I don't think I'm seeing too much of nothing actually. Let me go to this 5 minute. Alrighty. So now this is where the real shit begins. Yeah, so this is where the real shit begins at. I know I don't like my charts messy for real. I like bare charts, but I gotta have these things on here for just in case. I think I want to get into this, y'all. I'm not gonna lie to you. Oh, I didn't even log in. I think I would like to get into this, but I think I want to do myself a good favor and wait too, because I don't have to rush anything. I don't have to rush into getting into a trade. I just don't have to do that. And I do see some supply right here. I do think I need to just be patient. Just because I know CPI is coming doesn't mean I have to force anything and force getting into this trade right here because I feel like CPI is gonna tank down. We got CPI in another 50 something minutes maybe. I want to check the 15 though, really quick. Yeah, I think it's in my best interest to just stay patient. Just stay patient. Now, if it is to get down back to this 5 minute supply, I may take it. I may not. Who knows? Delete that. Delete that. It kind of looks good to me though, right? I think I want to take my chances with this. I wish I would have got in down here though, if anything. I got some decisions to make. Yeah, I got some decisions to make. I think if anything, I should wait for it to get down to this supply zone, that supply box. And then if it's to react, you know, then maybe I can get into this. But right now, I should be patient because I feel like that's me having FOMO, fear of missing out on a good, hmm, got some real decisions to make though because it looked pretty good to me. So this would be like a 4 hour break of the candle, right? Yeah, that'll be a 4 hour break of the candle, which we had 2 more hours on. We already have a 1 hour break of the candle, or it's right here actually finna break the 1 hour. So I would bet if I was to get in this trade, I would basically be saying that price will be dropping. Basically, that's what I would be saying. I do feel like it want to drop though. CPI is 730. I feel like I would have. I feel like it would have been best for me to been got into this move. I want to take it though. I'm not gonna cap to you. Damn, I got in late as hell. Ooh, got in super late. Yeah, I just got in super, 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 super late. Mm, 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 mm. feel like everything says this indicates that it wants to drop though. Got into that shit super late. Would have liked to get in around like right here. I will get out of this if it gets to break even just to see if I can get a better entry. But if it keeps tanking, it keeps tanking. Hmm. Go back to this 5 minute. Maybe I should get out of this. Because the entry is so horrible. Should I close this? I'm trying to see. Trying to see what the fuck I just did, but what did I just do? That was like not disciplined of me. Got into a trade late. Give myself one more chance today. Um, so it's 7 o'clock. Got into that trade so late though. Like that's what probably messed me up. Finna get back in, y'all. Titus, what's this setup you getting into though? What is this? What's the setup? Are you gambling? I think I may be gambling. Am I gambling? What's the setup that I'm getting into, bro? I think I'm just getting in shit actually. Cause I know CPI is coming and I'm looking for a huge win, right? I mean, we did get a break of the candle on the 1 hour. That's off of 4 hour supply. So I'm going with that. But I'm on a 5 minute. What? And then I got into this super late. So is this FOMO? Could this be FOMO? I feel like I need to let this play out though too. It's a part of me that want to let this play out. But it's a part of me saying get out of this too, you know? Am I trading like this because I know CPI is coming? I may be trading like this because I know CPI is coming. And I'm trying to guess where the market is going. So that's bad actually right now. I should probably get out of this. This is horrible trading already. I should probably call it a day. Let me take this off and this off. Lost 500 today. Critical thinking skills, I should probably call it a day because I don't know what the fuck I just did. I don't know what I was just doing right there. Trading very not disciplined at all. That was that was nowhere near disciplined trading, bro. So what am I doing? And why the fuck do I feel like I want to get back in this? I feel like I'm looking at the market bias right now. Maybe I should walk away with this $500 loss that I got. I already took two trades, which is not a part of my plan. I only supposed to trade once. Hmm. It's like that old Titus want to kick back in. I see. Like that old just, I won't be denied. This trade's supposed to be right. Titus want to kick back in. Because I feel like I didn't even give myself a real chance to make real money. I don't know what the fuck I took. Man, I should when I got into this first trade, I should have got at a break even or a little above that, a little bit. I don't know. Mm, 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 mm. Um, am I looking at the market bias right now because of my top down? We just bounced off this 200 EMA. Let me look at the 15. Okay, so we got a touch, right? 7:30, 8:30, and 9:30. So we got a touch at this 5 minutes on. See what price want to do. So if we get a break of the candle, I may hop into this and then I'll be done for the day for sure. I don't like those first two trades I just took. I'm not gonna lie to you. And I want to hop into this without confirmation. Damn, I think I'm gambling, y'all. My first two trades I just took was like more so some gambling trades. For real, for real. If I really think about it now. Yeah, I'm gonna have to watch this back. I should maybe walk away with this $500 loss though. Because if I just took them first two trades like that, that's saying my mind is jacked up a little. Cause I'm like I could have waited till we got back to this point, honestly. And then it was like, okay, let's see what the market wanna do here. Wasn't patient today. I overtraded. I'm overtrading because this would be my third trade today that I place. If I am to place another one, I really got some decisions to make because we already down 500 for the day, right? We can't lose. We can only lose 1,000 in a day, but we can only lose 2,000. For the whole account. Come in.
Your ball on his car.
Where he at?
He at the gym.
All right.
But did you want to go or did you want me to just bring it back?
What's the gym?
I'll bring the ball back.
What is in his car right now, or he at the gym?
He on his way to the gym. Leave him from work. He got to pass the gym and get out.
So what you asking me then?
If you want to go to the gym, so you can sell it.
Oh nah, yeah, no, I'm trading right now.
Bring it back.
Yeah, just bring it back. Hmm. Yeah, if we get a break, I'm gonna get in. I'm not gonna lie. I know me, and I know I'm gonna get in. Fuck it, I'm in. All right, so we in this shit. That's gonna be our stop loss. 17 pips. And we just got in aggressive. God, goodness gracious. Goodness gracious, Titus. Damn. Should I close? It's probably finna get me out. I should probably close this. Start wicking out. Please. We got CPI in 15 minutes. Start working out, man. Hmm. I feel like I'm in the right setup. I'm not gonna count all that shit I did earlier though. That's man, I did myself a disservice. I could have waited. If I was patient, I could literally be in this trade and we wouldn't have to lose no money. I gotta get on my ass about this. That was bad trading earlier, bro. Horrible trading. Now I feel like I want to hold for the 3-1 for both positions, just to make up for a losses that I shouldn't have took. Wow, Titus, very disappointed with you, sir. It look like it's faking out though. I'm not gonna cap. I need to see the type of clothes it's gonna give us. I feel like it's just playing around 'cause CPI is coming. This is a risky setup. I'm not gonna cap. This is very risky of me. This is like very, very risky of me. I do want to move this to a 3-1, bro. I want to move this first TP to a 3-1. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm going for the home run. Fuck it. I ain't gonna cap to y'all. I'm going for a home run. I ain't gonna lie. We got 10 minutes to CPI. I want to see what type of clothes we can get. First and foremost. Yeah, I'm going for a home run, y'all. I'm not gonna cap. Maybe I could be tweaking, but I'm finna just trust the process and put it in God's hand. So this is like a very not disciplined day that I'm. This is not disciplined at all. Like nowhere near disciplined. Very, very disappointed in myself. I'm not gonna cap to you because this could very much not go my way, but this can go my way as well. 1 hour. Is everything pointing to get out of this? Cause it's steady wicking out. Should probably get out, huh? These wicks is crazy. I'm not gonna cap. I need closes below these. Like I need a close below that, below those. Damn, the first two trades I took really set me back today, bro. Really set me back today. That was almost self sabotage. I wouldn't even be like feeling how I'm feeling right now in this trade if I would have just did everything the right way. The first man, all I had to do was just be patient. I would have got a better entry. Now I'm very, very emotional. I know I'm not following my rules. I got a 3-1 for the first TP, and then I'm trying to target liquidity for my second TP. So it can be a big winner. My risk to reward is nice, but this isn't disciplined trading nowhere near. And what if CPI just wants to blast up and get us out? Anything can happen, y'all. Anything could happen. For real, for real. CPI be a motherfucker. I mean, we gotta close right at them candles. I don't know. I still got time to get out of this too. That's what's crazy. Whatever happens, happens though, bro. Like that's just what it is. No cap. Can't cap to you. Whatever happens, happens. I feel like this will win though. That's just how I feel. So hopefully we can get a win on this. CPI in 4 minutes. This is really like the moment of truth for real. See if we can at least get a close below this actually, or at least get back down to this area. Damn, man, them first two trades, that's why I'm doing all this undisciplined shit that I'm doing now. I'm trying to hold for a 3-1 for the first TP, and then I'm going for liquidity for my second TP. Because I'm trying to get a big winner, trying to get a big win, but I understand that I took a loss earlier in the day. I understand that, I don't know, I understand that I didn't trade the disciplined way. So I'm trying to play catch up to that. And this is looking like CPI is going to not tank. This may just, I don't know. Let's just shut up. I'm finna just shut the fuck up. I ain't finna say shit else. Something is telling me to just hold. So I'm just gonna shut the fuck up and hold. Damn. Ah. 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 But why? Let me see why. Everything was pointing to the upside, right? Yeah, shit. We've been bullish this whole time. These wicks from right here, these closes. Mm, 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 mm. Look at the 1 hour. Been waking out. Ooh. Mm. And we getting a touch on this 5 minute supply. Damn, sure. How many did this shit go? How many ticks? 176 ticks. Damn, I'm not gonna lie. I like my chances. I like. Because if we would have won, we would have won a lot of money. So, yeah. Very undisciplined day today. Like so undisciplined, bro. And I'm not gonna lie, I feel like it's cause I didn't go on my mile run yesterday. I was supposed to go run a little mile. And I was supposed to get some shots up, just a little late night exercise after I got off work. And I know I would have came to the market way more disciplined than what I was today because yesterday I didn't want to do that shit. So it would have been some like if I'm doing some shit I ain't want to do yesterday, I'm gonna definitely come here and do some shit that I don't want to do on the charts, which is like be disciplined, type shit like that. I want to be disciplined, but like I don't even know how to explain it. But that shit could have translated over. Yeah, but this is a horrible loss today. Like I may have to sit tomorrow out. This is like I gotta shake this one off. I gotta shake this one off. I'm not gonna cap to you. Just gambled on CPI. Um, what the fuck did I do today? It's like I'm thinking about my past few days though, y'all. I haven't been as disciplined like with my life, like with my outside life, and that's what I feel like. Just it just translated over onto the charts. Not gonna lie, this is very discouraging a little. Um, because I just basically like self sabotage myself today. So I don't know. I gotta definitely go back to the drawing board. I gotta bounce back. I will bounce back. I'm not really tripping on that, but it's like, damn, like I shouldn't be playing with this account gang. This is so I can add money into my personal account. I should not be gambling on this account, praying for a home run, praying for a home run. Like I shouldn't be doing that. I'm glad I only lost $833 today. So it could have got way worse. I could have walked away with a $500 loss today. Decided to decided to play my hand. Decided to play my cards. This is like the second time CPI has done this to me. Um, and let me get like a little backstory. So I ain't gonna lie, I've traded CPI 4 times this year. I think I won twice, and now this is my second time losing. And the first two times I won, I think say CPI tanked down, so that's why I won. So that's why then I just had this same biasness, I guess, because everything been like when it comes to market action and price action, everything on the charts was pointing bullish for real, for real. If we want to be honest, so I'm not surprised that it blasted up, but I'm salty as hell, though. I gotta say that. I'm salty as fuck, but I gotta laugh that shit off. Mm, 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 mm. Finna sleep this one off for sure. Finna sleep this loss off. Even if I won, I was gonna sleep this off because this shit just drain my energy. I self sabotaged myself today. Think about like the hard work and shit I gotta like do just to get this account back up. Like really only got like $1,200 to trade with now. So like that's why I'm threw off of myself. It's like damn. I'm probably finished. I don't know. We'll talk about that when we get there. Damn, I'm not done with this video. I feel like I need to talk this off, talk this shit off my chest a little. Definitely gotta rewatch what I did and see what I did wrong. I know what I did wrong though. It was just hopping into that first trade so late, like FOMO, FOMO. That was FOMO. Then I had a biasness, of thinking that the market was just gonna push down. So I tried to predict where the market was gonna go. That's what fucked me up, for one. So that was me being biased in the market. What else? Got into that trade very late. That was two. That was the second fuck up. What else did I mess up at? So I was being biased in the market. I thought I tried to predict where the market was gonna go. That was the first fuck up. Got into the first trade late. That was the second fuck up. And then I got into a second trade. Did I get into that second trade irrationally? Can't remember. I think I did though. So we gonna say I did. So that's the third fuck up. And then when the setup that was the best for me or looked the best to get into, finally got in that and it ended up losing. What else? So that's three fuck ups already, or three to four fuck ups, and then nowhere near disciplined as it when it comes to my trades. Like when it was supposed to go for, I was supposed to go for a 1-on-1. I don't even think it hit a 1-on-1, so that don't matter. But it do matter though because I was supposed to go for a 1-to-1. Not the first TP shouldn't have been a 3-to-1, and then the second TP shouldn't have been at liquidity. That's very indisciplined of me, undisciplined. So yeah, y'all. Damn, 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 damn. These one of them videos you don't even want to post. I'm thinking about how I didn't do the things necessary that I was supposed to do to be able to come into the markets and be very disciplined and very patient today with myself. I was supposed to do a lot of things last night, even like the day before. I was supposed to do a lot of things that would have led me to being very disciplined today. And I would have just let CPI did what it did, and then we would have seen if we would have been able to catch a trade off of that after CPI. So I just gambled again today in the markets. I don't know, gang. I'm gonna probably have to punish myself and not trade tomorrow. I think I may just have to punish myself and not trade tomorrow. I'm gonna meditate on it. Ask my higher self for what I should do on that. If I should trade or not, or if I should just wait it out till Monday. That way, that could be some type of little punishment towards myself, to hold myself accountable for the things, for the actions that I displayed today in the market. Cause it's like I'm thinking like I ain't even gonna say that because I'm not thinking that at all. But oh no, man, this shit got me not even want to do nothing for the rest of the day. This shit got me like wanting to live in my lowest self, which is actually fucked up. So I gotta be cool on that. Gotta be super cool on that, cause that shit could just get even worse. Um, I'm salty as fuck. Damn, I'm salty as shit. I wonder what the market's doing too. Let's see. Damn, this bitch is rising, man. Let me delete this shit. All right, what the fuck was I just doing today, bro? Damn, it's only a 15-minute candle. Damn, I see why the fuck I gambled on CPI though, cause the risk to reward is so high. It's like so fucking high. Yeah, y'all, but that's all I got for this video, bro. Very indisciplined today. Very just not. I just came in the market, I gambled, and that shit cost me. It ended up costing me $833. So that sucks. But at the same time, it's like could have made a lot of money. So yeah. Should have been like very patient though, bro. I could have been so patient, gang. Like I gotta get on my ass, bro. Because there's no way I should have came into the markets and did what I just did today. There's no way I should have just came into these markets and just did what I did today. Gambling, CPI. I mean, you can win, but you can lose too. So like, what the fuck, Titus? Mm. Like that shit so fucked me up right now. Like in the head right now, I don't even want to end my video. Like I just want to keep talking about how I fucked up. So that's me living in the past. I gotta live in the present. But it be losses like this that could bring that old Titus back, gang. Like I'm talking about, I could damn that go eat a big ass meal of just red meat and fries and fried food and shit like that. Some fucking steak tacos or matter of fact, let me keep it PG-13 because I could just tweak on this bitch, man. So I'm finna sleep this one off. What did I do today, bro? It's like a lot of hard work that just went down the drain. A lot of disciplined work that just went down in the drain. Like that I could have won though. So and all that win what it did was just cover up the indisciplined shit that I did today. So that still would have been good. Um, I don't know if I'm gonna trade tomorrow, y'all. I don't know. I'm gonna think about it. So y'all may see me tomorrow. Y'all may not. Like I should know. I know better, bro. I know better. But if I won, if I won, I wouldn't even be saying this shit right here. So like, Hey, bro, we've been on a strong uptrend on the 4 hour, and I'm thinking it's finna tank. What was I thinking? I wasn't thinking. That's the point. I wasn't thinking. I was gambling. Like I wasn't thinking at all. I was gambling and trying to predict the market because we was at this point. We was at a 4 hour supply. So I thought the market was gonna tank this way. That bitch started blasting up. Go back to the 1 hour. Even when the 1 hour started rejecting, I should have known none. Then like yeah, I definitely gotta go. I gotta just rewatch what I did today. I gotta see why I was so anxious. I gotta see. I know why, but I gotta just watch it in real time. And that's why I'm glad I make these videos too, though. Because at the end of the day, I make these bitches for myself because of shit like this. I have to see what I did today, knowing why I did it, but I gotta see like I don't know. I just gotta watch it. I gotta watch the shit that I did, you know, so I can learn from it. But for some fucking reason, gang, I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I kind of like trading CPI. I don't know if that's good or that's bad, but I kind of like trading CPI. So I think I need to find out a formula for it because have I've probably lost more money than I made on CPI though, if I'm being totally honest. Or I could be around a break even level because I have won twice this year and I've lost twice this year. So I'm 50. So I'm 2-2. So I'm 50% on trading CPI this year, and that's very intriguing. But I feel like it's a way I could beat that though. I feel like it's a way I could beat these type of games. Like for some reason, for some odd ass reason, I feel like it's a way I could like win trades that involve CPI at a consistent rate too, at a high clip. Or that could just be like the gambling mindset that I got, or like the gambler side of me. But trading is not supposed to be gambling. So yeah, I may not trade tomorrow if I uh, gotta clear my mind. Man, I know why though, cause I know why I did what I did today. I was just looking for a huge win, like an undeniable huge win that could like just kick up my account, kick up this 50K XFA account, and that was the wrong thing. That was probably the wrong way of going about things. I was definitely looking for a large win today though, like a very large win today. So I need to be patient. Don't understand that my moment will come. My time will come. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, let me end this video right here though, cause I ain't doing shit. Just looking at the markets and I ain't doing shit. Yeah, horrible day today. Like so bad of a day today. Damn, if I could rewind, I will. What the fuck? Uh, like, oh my gosh. Like I should have knew right here. Once it touched this, yeah, I should have got that first break. I should have got that first trade to break even. That bitch started rejecting so fast though. It was crazy. And my entry was horrible too, because I probably got in around this area. Should, once it hit this 200 EMA though, started doing all this shit, I should have knew. But at the same time, you never know. But yeah, though, y'all, that's all I got for this video. It's your boy High Self Trace, and I'm out.